The Little Dump Truck by Marjorie Kyler. Illustrated by Bob Kohler. I'm a little dump truck, run by Hard Hat Pete. Rattle, rattle, clatter, driving down the street. I'm a little dump truck, hauling stones and rocks, bumping, bouncing, thumping, crossing city blocks. I'm a little dump truck, turning at the light, slowing, braking, stopping at the building site. I'm a little dump truck, parking in the road, dumping out my load. I'm a little dump truck, watching workers build, forklifts lifting beams, big hole being filled. I'm a little dump truck, waiting for debris. Excavator scoops, drops dirt into me. I'm a little dump truck, carting out the trash. On and off, warning red lights flash. I'm a little dump truck, driving down Route 10, heading for the landfill to unload again. I'm a little dump truck, backing to the right, tipping down my dumper at the garbage site. I'm a little dump truck, leaving through the gate, riding down the highway to another state. I'm a little dump truck, stopping to get gas. Hard Hat Pete drinks coffee, others truckers pass. I'm a little dump truck, working hard each day. Back and forth, I love my job. Hooray!